Hey, I'm Melvin Yates, and we're back. We're showing off day 3 of the treehouse project. So, showed you kind of day 1, day 0, where we were just kind of pouring the holes, getting ready for the foundation, the concrete, and the post, the 6 by 6 by 16 foot post. At the end of day 1, day 2, we were able to get the 4 corners of the treehouse kind of measured. They had to be you saw from the pictures, they had to be measured off precisely, made sure everything was level. We just finished day 3, so just bringing you that. But as you can see, we've got all the posts in, So we've got 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 posts in the ground, 6 by 6 by 16. And as you can see, everything is kind of lined off on where the levels are going to be. Remember, this is going to be a 2-story treehouse. It's going to have a wraparound porch, slide out the back, for the kiddos, so they're really going to enjoy it. But this is the project, and only 3 days in, so we're doing pretty well. But as you can see, this is going to be your first level, is going to be down low. So even though it's low on the front side, because it's going to be level and it's going downhill, it will be a little higher on the post towards the back end, as you can see. All right, and we'll flip the camera so you guys can see the other view. So the porch is going to be on the front side here, and then the steps going up to the second level are going to be right on this side going up. And then you'll also be able to go to the second level up from the inside. We're going to have a kind of a tree climbing wall right here, so you'll be able to actually physically climb up from the interior up to the second level. So that's it. Just wanted to bring you an update on treehouse project. Again, day 3 completed. It's actually morning day 4, but they're not going to be working on it today. Day 3 completed of the treehouse project. I'm Melvin Yates. We'll be bringing you these different activities as things come along, as things come up. We've got the next project we're going to be sharing. It's going to be a stonework fireplace. We're going to be redoing a fireplace and taking stone, fresh architectural stone, different color variations, all the way up to the ceiling, tearing out an old brick fireplace and bringing the stonework. So just different projects we're going to be bringing to you guys. I'm Melvin Yates, and I'll see you next time.